All right, y'all. Hey, welcome back. Sergeant TJ here. Day 281 of my morning workouts. Doing another dumbbell workout again today. And this next move, last time I did this workout, I used 20 pounds. Today I'm bumping it up to 25 pounds. And these are bent over rows. So I'm going to come down, grab those brand new 25s I just picked up. And we're just going to bring those shoulder blades together. 2, 3. Ha ha! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, 15 of those bad boys in the bag, and I'm moving on to the next one. So like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. I'm out.